Happy morning, children. Welcome back. This is your English online class for Standard 5. Children, um, when we feel like cherishing our past happy moments, what do we do? What do you do? Do you sit, close your eyes, and recall all those memories? Yeah, of course, we do that. Um, Another method is another way of cherishing moments, happy moments. Yeah, no doubt. We dust our photo albums and engross ourselves viewing all the photos. Is it not? Haven't you tried this, children? Yes? Yeah. Children, clicking photo is not easy, right? Yeah. With full focus, clarity in image, angle of camera, lighting, all these matters a lot, right? Yeah. Have you tried to click pictures? Yes? Yeah. You might have enjoyed thoroughly, right? That too now during this lockdown period. A big yes. Also, you guys have started clicking photos of your work and post in OneNote. Am I right, children? Yes. How about selfies? Yes, amazing, is it not? Yeah. Children, so far we discussed about photographies or cherishing moments, happy moments, selfies, how to take photos, and what do you do? Do you take photos? All these we were discussing. Yes, from this, can you guess what are we going to discuss in our warm up session? Any guess? Yeah, here it is. You're right, children. August 19th, we celebrate World Photography Day. Very good, children. Okay. World Photography Day is celebrated so that people around the world can communicate their feelings and express themselves through the art of photography. The whole idea behind the day is to just to hold discussions about photography and encourage those who want to pursue photography as a hobby or a career. Last year in 2019, the theme of the day was history, and this year the theme is pandemic lockdown through lens. Children, look here. World Photography Day. August 19 is observed as World Photography Day, which aims to inspire photographers across the planet to share a single photo with a simple purpose. What is the purpose? To share their world with the world. World Photo Day originates from the invention of the daguerreotype, a photographic process developed in 1837 in France. Okay. Children, look here. In the early 1839, a selfie was clicked by American Robert Cornelius. Cornelius set his camera up, took the image by removing the lens cap and then running into frame. Amazing, is it not, children? We are taking selfies now in our mobiles. It's so easy. But imagine 1839 itself, they started taking selfie. Okay. On August 19, 2010, World Photo Day hosted its first global online gallery. Almost 270 photographers shared their pictures, and people from over 100 countries visited the website. This marked the first official globally reaching World Photo Day. Children, you might have seen beautiful and wonderful pictures, right? I would like to share some very beautiful pictures with you just to have a look. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, children, now let's get into the lesson. Take your course book and be ready. Children, hope you have enjoyed the photographs which I shared with you. Is it not? Yes, did you like that? Right. Okay, now you're in page number 64, course book. L plates on my football shirt. In our previous section, what did we see? We saw the animated video of the poem. Today, we're going to have a reading session. Okay, children, you have to watch carefully, look at the screen or look into your book. Right? Are you ready? Yes.
L plates on my football shirt.
When I play football for the football team at school, no one takes me seriously. They think I'm just a fool. My right boot's on my left foot, my left is on my right. My socks are on my arms, and my shorts are far too tight. I have shin pads on my chin just in case I am fouled. My shirt is full of holes, inside out and upside down. The laces on my boots are nearly 5 miles long. I need 2 weeks before each match so I can put them on. They told me to play sweeper, so I borrowed my mum's Hoover and swept up their forwards' shots with a brilliant maneuver. They asked about my shooting and how I could attack. So I got out my rifle, but they made me put it back. I told them that my dribbling was the best they'd get, then dribbled down their shirts and made them soaking wet. They asked me to play winger. I said I couldn't fly. Well, mark your man instead. So I gave him 2 black eyes. Free kick, said the ref. So I did and watched him fall. Nobody had told me that I had to kick the ball. In view of this, the referee gave the other team the kick. I was told to build a wall, but I couldn't find a brick. In the end, there's only 2 positions I can play. Left back, right back, in the changing rooms all day. I'm only a beginner, and someone could get hurt. So I don't have a number, but an L plate on my shirt.
Okay, you may play back the video and then enjoy one more time also. Right, children? Thank you. We'll meet in the next class. Bye-bye. Take care.